I can't see the top of your head. Hang on. Right now.
Wow. Today I become a goat man. No, not this goat man. This goat man. Today, I'm turning myself into the goat man, but not that goat man, not the evil demonic goat man. I'm becoming a literal goat man, and not a furry. If anyone says furry, where did I get the inspiration to do this? Well, I can tell you, it wasn't an original idea because I don't have those. Back in 2016, a British man by the name of Thomas Thwaites turned himself into a goat. You think maybe he was a scientist trying to study goats, you would be wrong. He was an artist. He was doing it to examine his conscience as a goat. Today I'm becoming a goat. Not metaphorically, literally becoming a goat. I'm strapping PVC pipes to my legs. This isn't a cry for help. I'm normal, I promise. Anyways, I'm gonna make this suit now. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a goat. This is Thomas Thwaites, the goat man. This is what we're going after. See what this is? It's an exoskeleton. You can't tell, but he has goat legs, goat arms, and a full suit that holds them all together. So he's basically locked like that, and he can't move, baby. Now here's our thing. We're goats on a budget. Here's what I'm thinking. PVC is our cheaper alternative here, okay? See that? That's a freaking leg right there. Here's just the general idea. It's hard to see from this picture, but right here, those are holding his leg into place. So the legs are like this. And they're held into place so he can't move. There's also feet. So little goat nubs that come down so his actual feet aren't touching the ground. That's that. I think we've got a working design, guys. Wait, real question. Do you get sexually aroused by this?
Yes.
How it works. Hand goes in, bada bing bada boom, you're a goat. The problem is when you put your hand in this, it hurts extremely bad. Solution, Walmart gloves. Now on the legs.
See gluing my asshole shut. Make sure that's a good angle. I'm allowed to stay still like this.
No. Do you know what BitConnect is?
No.
Final design. Okay, for our legs. Then we're just gonna duct tape them on because we're on a budget and I could not think of anything else. So I'm gonna make this. I just have to make this.
Creation.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hello there. I'm not insane. I've been tested as of last Tuesday, and according to the doctor, I'm perfectly mentally stable. Anyways, here I am. I've got my goat on. We're in the woods. It was quite the process getting here. Please tell me you're coming towards me.
No.
Really?
Seriously,
oh my gosh. And this isn't a mental breakdown. Thomas Thwaites, the goat man, I just recently found out never won a Nobel Prize. And I'm severely depressed. I'm gonna kill myself now. Okay, there's a 1-mile trail right there that I'm gonna have to end up walking on in a goat. So, let us begin. Thomas Thwaites did this to immerse himself as a goat, but it wasn't to study goats apparently, it was to study himself. So this is apparently going to be a very meditative process, and I'm going to learn the inner meaning of my soul somehow. Let's begin.
The only inner meaning in your soul is an extra chromosome.
Okay, we just have to make it back to the car and we're done for the day. We're actually done with this video. Do you see how this has really good grip?
Is it easy though?
It's easier than walking on a flat land. Aiden, you should search up some goat facts.
Okay. Goats were one of the first animals to be tamed by humans. Did you know that?
No, I didn't know that.
Hey, goat. Goat.
Bah!
Did you know the lifespan of a goat is about that of a dog?
Shit. I'm dying soon.
Hey, goat.
What?
Goat meat is the most consumed meat per capita worldwide.
Really?
Yeah, so goats are the most eaten.
Who eats goat meat? Why haven't I eaten goat meat? Do you see how good my form is?
Yes.
Did you know that goats can be taught their names and come to when called?
Didn't know that.
Yeah, did you just step in all that goat feces? Did you make that? Goat shit.
This is way easier than I thought it would be. I haven't learned anything about my soul yet, though. Oh!
Goats were the first domesticated animals. Did you know that?
You already said that.
Shut the fuck up. Did you know that goats were one of the first animals to be brought to America?
I didn't know that.
Did you know that goats have 4 stomachs?
I think this is where I do the mountain goat test.
Goat milk is technically easier to drink than cow milk.
I don't care about goat milk.
You're gonna die.
No, I'm not.
I
think
will record this. No, it's like a 90-degree drop off.
Reese, you go down there and record.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, this is Discovery Channel. Wild goat.
No! Oh my god. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Look at this is a nice cliff right here. Thomas Thwaites told me that I'm gonna learn about my inner soul. He was a goat for 3 days. I think I can go down this goddamn
The only
mountain.
thing you're gonna learn about your inner soul is when you see it outside of your body.
How would a goat do it?
They would just go straight down.
Really?
Seriously. Have you ever seen a mountain goat? I can't wait till you fall and then I can record it.
Listen, this is working very well. Do you see how good I am at being a goat?
Is it getting scarier?
No, I hear. Shit!
Just full send it.
There's no way I can do this.
Yes, you can. I believe in you. Here you go.
Ah! These aren't very grippy. Matt! The cameraman falls.
You have to climb up as an
Look, I can make it up. No, I can't.
I didn't get them.
I can make it up this hill.
Finish.
Matt!
Okay, keep going down.
Okay, I got it. Ready? Forward, too. Where'd my leg go? Ow! Special cameraman 2 is up there. I think we just leave him.
You're just
Backwards.
leaving me?
Matt!
I'll get back to you. Please fucking go.
I think as a team, guys, we are learning a lot about each other.
My fucking hands are so fucking cold.
Okay, watch how fast I can go. No.
We're not going back to the vehicle
I
like
think we
this.
can make it to the vehicle. This is a moral question. And this is what Thomas Thwaite was thinking of. Anyone who would do this knew they could be seen by public.
Now, Ashton, let me tell you.
What?
Let me ask you something.
Do you know there's someone right up there?
There is.
No stopping. No stopping. Oh God! My pants are coming off. Your pants are falling off. Shit. Pull my pants up.
No,
Pull my goddamn pants
I
up.
will not.
Pull my pants up.
No.
Go! Shit. Hold on.
You lose the leg?
I don't know what the hell's going on anymore. I'm Usain Bolt. Hold on.
I'm not touching your pants.
Come on! Come on, we gotta get to the shit box!
Chase, go.
I'm the basalt goat.
Okay, let's stop. Aiden, go ahead. Make sure there's no one else parked there.
Wait, there's another car?
Yeah.
You're sure?
Yes.
I would just like to thank Thomas Thwaites for this magical experience. I would recommend all of you become goats. I have learned so much about myself. I've learned the meaning of life.
What's the meaning?
Deep inside, we're all goats.
Really?
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, like, and goodbye.